What's good, millionaires? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Cocos FX, and in today's video I am going to be teaching you guys exactly how I journal my trades using Telegram. I know this sounds like, what? Journaling a trade using Telegram? Yes, that's how I journal mine, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how I journal my trades using Telegram. I recently made a poll on YouTube asking you guys whether I should teach you guys how I journal my trades using Telegram, and most of the votes were yes, teach us. And before I get straight into the video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, I am Cocos FX, and in this YouTube channel I document my journey as a forex trader. So do well to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, now your question might be, but why do we need to journal our trades? This was a very big mistake that I was doing when I first started like some months ago. I don't have any accountability, because even as a normal business person, offline business person, has diary or a kind of journal where they write the price of their goods, the amount they sold it for, the profit they make, and I said to myself, like, since all these people do have journals for them, do have bookkeeping for their business, then why can't I have journal like that will act like a kind of reflection, like when I'm done for the week, I'm just gonna go to my journal and see what I've done for the week, and that would be a very good idea. That was what motivated me to go about creating this particular journal that I'm gonna be teaching you guys in this video. I know I'm talking too much. With that being said, but I'm just gonna give you a clue of why you need a trading journal. And with that being said, I'm gonna be taking you guys down to my trade, to my phone screen recording. I'm gonna be showing you guys my own journal and how you can replicate yours and start journalizing your trade using Telegram app. Yes, like I said, Telegram app only. Let's get started. So guys, I'm on my phone right now, and I'm gonna be going to my Telegram. This is my Telegram right here, and let my Telegram quickly load up. And this is my Telegram right here, and as you can see, this is my diary. This is my journal. I named it Cocos FX diary. So when you tap on this diary right here, and let it quickly load, trying to update. Okay, now see, this is my diary. If I should scroll up to the very point where I created this diary around May 28th, like it's a recent stuff. It's a recent, because we get inspired every day to do new things, so it's a recent stuff. And this is how I journal my trades. As you can see, this was a trade I took on XAUSD. Sorry, let me okay, this is it. Cocos FX. What's happening? Okay, it's network. Cocos FX diary. I share my forex trades here. This is me right here, like testing my model. Like, this is a kind of yeah, this is a journal, and it's private. Remember, your journal has to be private. It's only you that should have access to your journal. And let me quickly show you guys what a trade I took and how I journaled it here. Okay, this is the trade right here. Today's trade, Thursday 28th May 2026, and this was my 4-hour time frame analysis right here, and this is my 15 minutes intermediate time frame, and this is my my 1 minute entry, and this is exactly how I entered the trade. And now see what I wrote: a first trade of the day, XAUSD, and this was the second trade. Okay, this is the trade right here, and this is where the trade triggered me in, and this was when the trade started moving, and this was when I started being on profit, and this was how much, like, I'm not journaling everything here, and this was how much I made, and this was when I took partials, and this was when I took partials right here. And guess what happened? The price came and took me out on break even after I took my partials and broke even. So this is what and I've been journalizing all other ones here, like my trading system right here, what I did. Okay, like I'm just trying to remind myself every day of what I'm doing and why I should do that. And this was the second trade here on gold. Let me load it up from the okay. This was the second trade here. Yeah, this is the third trade of the day. Yeah, I actually took a loss on GBP USD. this was the trade right here. I took a loss on GBP USD, and look at the loss right here. And if you go, if you see you see the third trade here. This was on the 5 minutes. I followed my confluences and everything I need to take this trade, and then the trade triggered me in. I took partials of $34, and then the trade went in my favor, and I made $106. So, and the trade usually moved up, and this is exactly how I journal my trade. This is trade results, and this was how where I journalized it, and I call it a profitable day again today. And then today being the Friday, May 29, 2026, first trade of the day, and this was the first trade of the day. And let me see what later happened. Like this is the essence of journal. Journal helps you to reflect on what you did for the day. And this was my confidence on the 4 hour, and this I wanted to buy it to the up, and this is what happened. All my confidence was in check, and this was the outcome of the trade. It was a loss. It was a loss. Recently it was a loss. So that is how I journal that's the trade result, and that's how I journal my trades. And after, at the end of the day, I used to sit down and go through my journal and see the mistake that I made, and try to learn one or two things from it. And okay, and if you are still like, well, how do I create my own? If you want to create your own journal, you can come to this place, tap on this kind of pencil icon here. You see new channel, tap on new channel right here. You see create channel, tap on create channel, put your channel name, put the description, because I have a channel and I don't want to create any other one. But the most important is when choosing the visibility of your channel, just make it private, because it's gonna be only you. So make it private, don't make it public yet. Make it private. And this is exactly how I do mine, and I'm the only one that have access to this my journal. And I'm not gonna lie for you, bro, like it's been a very good one, and I love it. So thanks for watching. So thank you for watching the video. I guess this video was insightful, and this is exactly how I journal my trades using Telegram. If you find this video insightful, please do well to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and also tell me in the comment section which journal were you using before, or how insightful do you find this Telegram journal. If it was insightful, then share to a friend who is struggling to get a journal and what a journal is all about. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.